Hey, good morning. This is Stalin. Today we are going to see how to create new files and how to write the content into the file and read that file, then append the additional content into the same files. So these are the functions in Python. Through Python, we have to discuss for this. And last video already we seen what are the modes available in file handling in Python. Just to recap that one, the key function for open up function is used for all the file handling methods. Okay, the open up function having two parameters, one is file name, another one is mode. The mode means called methods. That method, there are four types. One is read, another one is append, another one is write, and last one is create. There are four different methods as in Python file handling. In addition to that, text mode and binary mode. The text mode default value for text mode for all file handling. Binary mode only using for specific files like video, audio, and image files, PDF files. These are the files we are going to manipulate. We have to denote specifically for the binary mode. So these are the recap for last videos. Now I am going to create new file. That file is not existing my folder. My folder name is Python program, that is having only two text files. One is new file, one and test files. Okay, I have to create a new file or read. So I have to read non-existing file. It is showing some error message. Okay, let's check. Command prompt. Okay, desktop. And create one file. File new. File 1 equal to open of double quote welcome.txt. welcome.txt. I have to read that file. If this file is existing, there is no error message. If file not existing, the error message will showing this type of file does not exist. Save as new.py. Already is there, so new file.py. You have to run that Python file, Python new file.py. See, there are the error message, file not found. File not found error. There is no such file available in my working directory. So there are two files only here. So I have to create new files. For create using for X for creating new file. same file I have to save again and run that code. Now see, there is no error message. So the new file was created under the name of welcome.txt. I have to check again my folder. See, the welcome.txt file was created, but without content, just only empty file was created. So I have to insert some content in this file. Control N. File, save as, write file.py. Okay. File2 equal to open up welcome.txt. File name mode is writing some content. So file2 dot write content welcome to my Python file handling tutorial. Okay, write file. I have saved. Again I run that file. Python write file.py. Oh, I am not closing the double quotes. Sorry. Okay, save. Again run that file. It was written into the existing file. Again go and check that file name was welcome. Open. See, welcome to my Python file handling tutorial. Is there content for this? I have to open another. No. Again check again. The only two difference are there in append and write file. Once I created some files and having some text, I am going to again add some more text. The existing contents are removed. The old content was removed. The new content only updated for writing mode. Check again. This tutorial is made by Stalin. This is I am going to write again the same file which was I created before one and having some text inside. What are the text inside? This text. Okay, I have to close. Again save that file. Run the same file. Python write.py. Going to check again. See, the previous content was deleted. So write file only writing the content for current content, current tutorials. What was we are using to add strings. This string only available for this writing mode. Okay, thank you.